Hey everybody, Jordan from Show Me Vegas here, and this is a video review and walkthrough of the MGM Grand's Staywell Grand King Room. Staywell rooms can be found at all MGM resorts and differ from their regular hotel rooms by offering certain healthy amenities, which, if you'll wait until the end of the video, we go over in detail. Let's see if we can show you the minibar menu right there. Bacardi 16, Captain Morgan 16, Coke $10, woo, Sprite $10, Fiji water $12, peanut M&Ms $15. That sounds like something that she might want to get. The safe. A lot of times the safe is in the closet. In this room, the safe, there we go. I'm not going to show you my combination. Don't even ask. We got some stuff in there, but the safe is in the bottom drawer of the nightstand. I like it there better than I like it in the closet. So, come on over here. Thermostat set on 65, and I'd say it's pretty close. The air conditioning actually works really well in here. That right there is one of the best blackout shades I've ever seen in Vegas. We'll take you on into the bathroom. Oh, before we go into the bathroom, this is probably the best feature that the Staywell rooms have, and that's the air purifier. This thing makes a whole lot of noise. And judging from the air quality in this room, I think it must work very well. And I gotta say, for a bathroom in a hotel that was built in 1993, it's got a lot of space. There's your vanity. Let's not forget, one of the perks of the Staywell room is the energizing light. Ooh. Do you feel energized? I don't. We don't actually like the energizing light at all. It's a tub shower combo, but for a tub shower combo, it is nice and big. You got that oversized tub so that the shower curtain is not clinging to you while you're taking a shower. And then you also have the shower infuser. It's got the Staywell logo on it. I don't know what that's infusing into our water, but something healthy, I'm sure. The makeup mirror, is this lighted? Babe, is this lighted? No, those are just, I'm trying to turn these, they're not switches. No, those just hold it into the wall. So it's not a lighted makeup mirror. But don't forget, you have the energizing light. So that'll take care of that. Anyway, we'll show you on the map here. And then of course, again, the bed. The bed has a memory foam mattress on it, but it is a little bit firm. I like a firm bed. My wife does not. I think that's probably pretty common. And she actually doesn't like the sheets either. I thought the sheets were pretty nice. She said they felt like paper. I don't know. I don't know what the thread count is on that. What would be a good thread count? 300, 400? What's Egyptian cotton? Do you know, babe? Do you know? What's a good thread count? 300, 400? 1,000? But look down here on the bed. Staywell at MGM Grand by Essentia. 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 Yeah, that's fancy. Also, I did notice that the sheets, I'm not going to dig in there and find it right now, but the sheets have an actual MGM Grand Stay Well tag on them. I mean, they've had these sheets custom made, so you know the thread count is at least acceptable. At least acceptable. Your TV is by Samsung. That's good. That's a good brand. Nobody really likes to drink out of the glasses in a hotel room, but they don't have plastic cups in here. They just have glasses. So you have to take it. It's a stay well room, right? So surely they have disinfected these glasses according to the stay well guidelines. I hope so, because we've drank out of those glasses. I drink tap water out of those glasses. So you're probably asking yourself, what is a stay well room? What does it mean to stay well at the MGM Grand? Well, I'm going to read this to you directly from the MGM Grand's website, and you tell me what it means to stay well, or we'll let them tell us. Here it is. Be well, stay well. Find sanctuary in a room designed to renew, recharge, and refresh. Our stay well rooms combine the latest wellness technologies from Delos. I don't know who that is, but that sounds legit. The Cleveland Clinic. What's the Cleveland Clinic? I'd rather it be the Mayo Clinic, but it's not. It's the Cleveland Clinic. And Dr. Deepak Chopra. Is that the guy that's on, Dr. Phil? Well, anyway, they combine the latest wellness technologies from those three, all to help make your stay everything you want it to be. To enjoy a complete wellness hotel experience, stay well. So that's what it means to have a stay well room. Featured amenities, private stay well lounge check-in. We actually did that. That was actually the VIP check-in down here at the MGM Grand. Air purification, we talked about that. That's over there. Healthy Essentia natural memory foam mattress. We talked about that a little bit. Some guaranteed non-smoking. Aren't most Vegas hotel rooms now non-smoking? I mean, aside from the weed, which is now legal in Vegas, and people just want to do that anywhere, and that's, whatever. It's guaranteed non-smoking if you're here. Stay well shower infuser. We showed you that. Sink water purification filtration. Now I feel better about drinking tap water here because it's been purified. Aromatherapy. Babe, have you smelled any aromatherapy in here? I haven't noticed that, but it's here, apparently. Energizing light. Yeah, that actually kind of sucks. Cleaning protocol. Well, I would hope there's a cleaning protocol in any hotel room. Not just a stay well room. I mean, you got to pay extra for that? I don't know. Dawn simulator alarm clock. That's that. So even if you've got great blackout curtains and you want to black out dawn, this little machine right over here can simulate dawn for you. That's who doesn't want that? Who doesn't want that? Long wave night lighting. Have we seen that yet? Long wave night lighting. I don't know what that means. Long wave night lighting. There is a pretty good night light in the bathroom. I've noticed that in the middle of the night going in there to go to the bathroom. I don't have to turn on any lights. That's pretty good. So maybe that's what that is. Cedar elements. Have we found any cedar elements? There's no cedar in the drawers. We're not going to show you that because our clothes are in there, but cedar elements. The dresser's not made out of cedar, though. Hold on. Cedar elements. There's not cedar like hanging on any of these hangers. That would be my thought. No. So we're going to have to take their word for that one again. That's at least two things we're going to have to take their word for. The aromatherapy and the cedar elements. I'm not totally convinced that we have that, but they say we do. Blackout shade elements. We talked about that. The blackout shades are phenomenal here. I will say those are legit. Complimentary flavored water at check-in. I don't think we got that. I don't think they gave us the flavored water, but that might be a COVID thing. Maybe they're not doing, the community flavored water thing, because and that would be fair. I understand that. Bed and bath. Healthy Ascension Natural Memory Foam Mattress. Yeah, we did that. The memory foam mattress, sitting on it right now. It's not bad. I like it. It's kind of firm. It's a little bit firm. If you like firm, then you're going to love it. If you don't like firm, you might hate it. Healthy bedding. So she said that the bedding wasn't great. She said it felt kind of like paper. Well, maybe that's because it's healthy bedding. I don't know. What does healthy bedding even mean? I don't know. Oversized backlit vanity mirror. Yeah, there's a very nice vanity mirror in the bathroom. Entertainment. Media hub that connects to all your devices. I don't agree. Because what don't you see on this media hub? If you guessed USB port, you are correct. The media hub does not have a USB port, so how am I going to connect? It does say right here, iPad, iPhone, iPod. First of all, who has an iPod anymore? Second of all, that I've never seen a connector like that, unless we're talking about the iPhone 3G from like 10 years ago. So that's kind of hooey. 40-inch flat screen. I called it a 42. I was wrong. That's a 40. That's big enough. Nobody watches TV in Vegas. Services, Grand Spa features, exclusive stay well treatment options. Yeah, spa's kind of shut down a little bit because of COVID right now. I know it's open, but I don't think they're doing everything like they normally do. Cleveland Clinic programs, access to online programs for sleep, stress, and nutritional therapy, valued at $120. $120 value, the Cleveland Clinic. Again, I don't know who the Cleveland Clinic is. Are they legit? Is that a great clinic? Is that even a good clinic? I don't have a clue, but we have some online programs that we can access to help us sleep, manage our stress, and nutritional therapy. And then in-room dining, healthy menu options. I don't think that's probably limited to the stay-well rooms, but they say that we have healthy menu options. So that's what you get with a stay-well room at an MGM resort. Quite honestly, I think that's a little bit just kind of window dressing. It is a nice room, but I don't know that all those stay-well amenities are actually legitimate. I hope you enjoyed this tour of the Stay-Well Grand King at the MGM Grand. Hey, if you like this video or if you like Vegas in general, just check us out on Facebook. We are at facebook.com/ShowMeVegasMo. That's ShowMeVegasMO. That's where we put most of our content. We've got a little bit on YouTube, but we have most of it on Facebook. And if you liked it, go there and check us out. Give us a like, give us a follow. There's plenty more to see out there, and there will be plenty more to see going forward. Until then,